Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting video of Sublimation Focus. Today's video, we are going to talk about the best 3D printer for detailed characters that will help you achieve your dreams of creating accurate and stunning characters with superior detail. These printers have excellent features that make them ideal for creating characters with amazing detail and accuracy. With that in mind, let's look at some of the best 3D printers for detailed characters on the market. We all know that a quality printer can make a massive difference in your printing performance. That's why we're here to give you a breakdown of the best 3D printers for detailed characters. Each printer's output can be stunning and create highly detailed characters. These printers can be used in various conditions and offer different features for different types of characters. We have included each 3D printer's link in the description section. And more importantly, these links are updated daily so you can have the best and updated prices. Without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D printer. The quest for the ultimate 3D printer for crafting intricate and detailed characters ends with the numero uno, the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. This isn't just a 3D printer, it's a precision crafting marvel that catapults your artistic endeavors to a new dimension. What sets the MK3S Plus apart is its fully automatic mesh bed leveling process, ensuring your prints are flawlessly precise. The built-in IR filament sensor is a game changer, pausing your print when filament runs out, saving you time and material. Under the hood, it's a beast with genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, an EINSY RAMBo motherboard, and a treasure trove of other features that make it the ultimate 3D printing workhorse. Your detailed characters deserve nothing less than perfection. As a cherry on top, the kit includes a free sample of Prusament PLA, allowing you to dive straight into your creative journey. Trust in the legacy of Prusa Research and let the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus be your companion in sculpting the most intricate, lifelike characters you can imagine. If you want to get this 3D printer, then check out the link provided